Vauxhall combo diesel partial filter cleaning. This is who we are. We do before and after test results. We do before and after test results, like I said, and we specialize on these. We do commercials, off-roads, farm machinery DPF cleaning. You can reach me on 07533636194 with your DPF, EGR, Adblue, NOx, power loss, high fuel consumption, black or white smoke issues. We are the masters. We are also diagnostic center, RAC garage, and Ghost Immobiliser fitting center. Please click on like button and subscribe my channel for further more useful videos. Thanks for watching.